Hello everyone, today I am embarking on a journey to explore the world of dressing table styles. Your dressing table is more than just a functional space, it's a reflection too of your personality and aesthetics. Let's dive into some creative ways to transfer your dressing table. Minimalistic elegance. Items reader minimalistic mirrors, clear acrylic organs, neutral colors palette, simple decor. Start with a clean and uncluttered space. Choose a minimalistic mirror that complements this table design. Use clear acrylic organizers for makeup and accessories. Add a few simple decor pieces like a small potted plants. Keep only essential items on the table for a sleek appearance. Vintage glamour. Items needed ornate mirror, vintage trays, antique perfume bottles, lace and silk tablecloths. Begin with an ornate vintage styles mirror as the centerpiece. Place vintage trays on the table to hold makeup and accessories. Display antique perfume bottles to add vintage charm. Use a lace and silk tablecloth to add a touch of elegance. Incorporate soft pastel color for a romantic ambience. Add a vintage vanity stool and chair for a authenticity. Items needed: sleek mirror with built-in lights, acrylic organizers, metallic accents. Invest in a modern mirror with built-in LED lights to perfect lighting. Incorporate metallic accents in silver, gold, and rose gold tones. Keep the color palette monochromatic and with subtle pops of colors. Choose sleek and streamlined decor items for a contemporary vibe. Consider a goose chair or a rustic stool for sitting. And here you have it, four distinct dressing table styles that cater to a variety of taste and performers. Whether you are drawn in minimalistic elegance, vintage glamour, bohemian vibes, and a modern chic, your dressing table can reflect your unique personality.